Haven't we been here before? Alright, so I just dropped Patty off at work and I have the girls with me. This is going to be a return to the smallest desert in the world. Haven't we been here before? Given that we're leaving in about 3 weeks, this is going to be the last time that I'm actually here for quite some time, so I wanted to make a little video as a little keepsake, I guess. So this is the Duchess, aka the little engine that could if it really wanted to, but it just has so many things going on right now. It might take the summer off and explore Europe. There's just too many options. Alright, so the Carcross visit was a bit short-lived, mainly because it's pushing the girls around. Emily pulled Madison's hair, Madison started to cry, then Emily started to cry, and it just kind of blew up. The interesting thing right now is I'm actually on a road that leads to Atlin, BC. Why that's interesting is because the only way to get to Atlin, BC, a land route, is to actually come through the Yukon and then drive there. So sometimes in Carcross you'll see vehicles with BC plates, and it's not because they're tourists, they're just coming in from Atlin, which is around maybe an hour and a half or so from Carcross. But it's pretty cool. Look at this bus stop, man. No lie, this is still nicer than probably the first 2 places I lived in on my own. Broken window and all. So it's actually 17 degrees out right now. Man, I kind of forgot what it's like to be in warm weather when you're in a place where, you know, winters a good 6 months. Yeah, it's like spring, summer just kind of sneaks up on you. I could be out here in a tank top right now and I'm wearing shorts, so great day. I had to come back out. It is so impossibly quiet out here. Just a slight breeze and the birds, and that's something I'm really gonna miss about the Yukon, is being able to go somewhere and be truly alone. It's incredible.